Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog crates that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Evolv Dog Crate. After testing the Evolv Dog Crate, we found this to be one of the best dog crates on the market. Its slim, modern design allows this dog crate to fit into any home design, while the dividers allow you to section off space as your puppy grows into a full-size dog. This dog crate fits small, medium, intermediate, and large dogs. One of the best features of this dog crate is its security. With an outside latch that your puppy can't access, this dog crate is guaranteed to be escape-proof. This dog crate is also made with a steel frame and wire mesh walls that keeps it sturdy. What's more, the crate's rounded edges protect your puppy from sharp edges. This dog crate is easy to put together and break down, but if you have trouble with it, you can rely on the how-to video and the included step-by-step directions. The best part? The Evolv doubles as a dog playpen, making it a 2-in-1 dog crate. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PetMate Aspen Pet Porter Dog Kennel. If you are searching for the best dog crate to take on a trip, then look no further than the PetSafe Aspen Pet Dog Crate. This large pet crate is sturdy and easy to put together, making it ideal for traveling. This dog crate also meets a majority of airline cargo criteria, meaning you can take your dog with you on most flights. In addition, the crate will fit pups to 70 pounds, making it ideal for small and medium-sized dogs. The latch of this dog crate can easily be opened with one hand. It also has ventilation on 3 sides to help your dog stay comfortable on long trips. At number 3, we have the Pet Gear The Other Door 4-door steel crate. From heading to the vet to a long trip, the Pet Gear The Other Door 4-door steel crate is the best dog crate if you're looking for one that will be easy for your dog to get in and out of. The crate includes 4 doors and a side door that opens up like a garage, making it ideal for a quick entry and exit. What's more, this portable crate is designed with built-in wheels and a handle that makes it easy to maneuver your pup around. Reviewers find this dog crate to be pretty sturdy too. At number 2, we have the Midwest Homes for Pets Folding Dog Crate. A folding wire dog crate is an excellent starting place for most pet owners wanting to crate train their dog. Midwest Homes for Pets offers a quality folding metal dog crate that happens to be one of the most popular on Amazon. It has a single door with a double latch, a removable plastic tray that makes it easy to clean, and a divider panel that lets it grow with your pet. What's more, it folds flat with a side carrying handle so you can bring it with you anywhere you need to go, or store it when not in use. You can assemble it in under a minute without tools, so you can set it up as soon as you arrive at your destination. It's worth noting that a determined dog will be able to bust their way through the wires. My 90-pound pointer destroyed his one afternoon in a bid for an unattended bag of tortilla chips. However, most dogs won't have the level of determination required. It's a quality offering for most dog families. And finally, at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics Portable Folding Soft Crate. This Amazon Basics Folding Soft-Sided Dog Crate is a great option for those who need pet containment while traveling. It has a PVC frame wrapped in polyester fabric with mesh windows providing ventilation from all 4 sides for maximum airflow. The front and top doors on this dog crate zip and unzip to open and close. Straps are included to keep the door panel rolled up and out of the way. We think that this is probably better for more relaxed pets. This dog crate is great for families on the go, as it folds completely flat for easy storage and transport and requires no tools to assemble. Obviously, a fabric crate is not meant for rambunctious or escape-prone animals. and it probably wouldn't hold up to excessive wear and tear. But for a properly trained dog, this is a great option for those on the move. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.